Hello. Today we're answering a common question. What is Xanax used for? Let's talk about it clearly and safely. Xanax is a brand name. The medication is called alprazolam.
It belongs to a class called benzodiazepines.
It's mainly prescribed for two conditions: generalized anxiety disorder and panic disorder. It provides short-term relief.
Now that we've identified the medication, let's look closer at its applications and what to expect during treatment.
So how does it work? Your brain has a calming neurotransmitter. It is called GABA. Anxiety can put your brain into overdrive. Alprazolam enhances the effect of GABA.
Jason, it can lower heart rate and blood pressure.
But there are important safety considerations. Side effects can include drowsiness or dizziness.
Also, poor coordination or memory problems. It can be habit-forming. Dependence is a serious risk.
I'm trying tracting. I could 4 cases a day.
Never mix it with alcohol or other depressants. The combination can be extremely dangerous. This is the most important part. Do not self-diagnose. Never take medication without a prescription. Your situation is unique. Only a doctor can decide if it's right for you. They will determine the correct dosage and manage your treatment safely. I hope this information was helpful. For more health content, please subscribe.
Click the bell to get notifications. نطلب من المشاهدين الاشتراك في القناة وتفعيل زر الجرس.